Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice, creator of Pinay Tech Dad. Today we're going to be talking about the Sudio Femtio. Now if you haven't heard of Sudio yet, well, they're a Swedish company that creates high quality audio products ranging from headphones to earphones and to Bluetooth speakers. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So let's go ahead and talk about the design on this first. Now, as you can see, this has a cylindrical shape and the base that is rectangular and is covered in rubber finish. At the back of the base is the rubber cover that protects the ports. So we have a 3.5 auxiliary jack and a USB-C charging port. And this is well sealed because this has IPX6 waterproof rating. That means you can take this to pool parties without having to worry that this will get damaged. On top of the Sudio Femtio are its buttons. You have the power button, the volume controls, and the play and pause button as well. You can also skip or go back to the previous track by holding either one of the volume buttons. And you also have the connection button right here, which is for the Bluetooth connection as well as for connecting with another Sudio Femtio, because you can connect this with another Sudio Femtio to have a stereo speaker experience. And lastly, at the bottom of the Sudio Femtio, we have the specs and the QR code as well as 4 rubber feet, which ensures that this doesn't slide if you put it on a flat surface. And lastly, of course, let's go ahead and check out the sound quality of the Sudio Femtio.
But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by their remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily.
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me?
Without you, why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something.
One more nice thing about this is that it has a microphone included as well. So even if you have this connected with your phone, you can answer phone calls using the Sudio Femtio. So what you're hearing right now is straight from the Sudio Femtio's microphone. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And I absolutely know that I look stupid holding up the Bluetooth speaker to my ear like this. So what do you guys think about the Sudio Femtio? Well, for me, this is definitely something that I can highly recommend at its price range. So this will cost you about $120, about 6,600 pesos here in the Philippines. And the sound quality is just absolutely amazing. And the bass on this is tremendous. This has huge bass boost. So for those who are really audiophiles out there, this is not gonna cater to your taste because this is more for casual listeners who just want to bring with them a very loud and powerful Bluetooth speaker with a very small design. This can be brought easily anywhere on the go, to the beach, to the pool, to parties if it ever happens again after this pandemic. But yeah, this is a really great sounding Bluetooth speaker, and the design, the finish, and its overall looks is well put together by Sudio. This is a premium Bluetooth speaker that you can proudly display on your desktop or anywhere in your home where you want to put this, because this has a very minimalistic look, and the rose gold trimmings on this anthracite colorway is absolutely amazing. This just stands out, but there are other colorways as well that you can choose from. And if you guys want to get your own Sudio Femtio, I'll leave the links in the description box. And if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.
Hold it down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go.